Good morning, student. I am Devin Singh Jata. Today we will discuss about class 6th science textbooks chapter 1st food. Where does it come from? As you know very well that food is very essential for us to live. First question arises here that what is food? So food is a kind of material. Food is a kind of material that is required to our body to maintain their metabolism and other life activities. Because every day our body functions goes continuously and every day we do activities. So these activities we need energy. So where does it energy come from? This energy come from us by food. So food is a kind of source of energy. Now question arises here, why we need food? So I already speak about because of energy. So why we need food? Food is required to get energy to do daily life activities like playing, dancing, etc. So we do daily life activities like playing, singing, dancing, walking, reading, sleeping. All these activities we need energy, and also our body need energy to maintain their metabolism like respiration, digestion, circulation, etc. So we need food to get a sufficient amount of energy. Every day you eat different kind of food items. So in our daily life we need a different food item to fulfill our body needs, because one kind of food item is not sufficient to our body. So because our body need different nutrients to function properly, like these nutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, etc. So we need a different variety of food. As you know, India is vast country. This country has different state and different culture. On the basis of different culture and state, there are lots of food variety found in our country. So if we talk about South India, most of the people love rice, sambar, idli, dosa, rasam, etc. In North India, if we talk about UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, they love to eat chapatis, dal, sabji, etc. So different food variety found in our country. If we talk about UP, Bihar, litti chokha is very famous. Andhra Pradesh, rice, rasam, idli, dosa, sambar is famous. In Gujarat, dhokla, fafda is very famous. So in different different state have different their food culture. So there is a lot of food variety found in our country. Now if we know that different food have different ingredients. If we talk about idli, we need rice, yeast powder, and any other things. So there is a different recipe of idli. If we talk about rasam, there are some vegetables, spices and other things is needed. So different food have different variety and different recipe and different ingredients. So question arises that now what is the source of food? Where does it come from? The food item mostly comes from mostly we get food item from plants and animals, because in this planet the main source of food item is plant and animal. So we all are depend for our food plants and animal. So if we talk about plant food items, see there are food material and sources. So two main sources of food items is plants and animals. So different food items available from plants like pulses, spices, food grains, oil seeds, etc. By plants we get milk or milk product, meat, fibers, leather, etc. Leather fiber is not a food, but these items we also get from animals. Now we talk about plants food and animal food. Now plant food, as I told already, major part of India get food from plants. The main source of food of our daily life is plant. If we talk about plant, pulses, food grains, like wheat, rice, etc. Oil seeds, and also we get fiber. Fibers does not belongs to food, but it is also get from plant food. So these are the major food items we get from the plant. Now if we talk about animal food, most we get milk and meat. These are the two main things we get from animal food, milk and meat. These we also get vegetables. I forgot to write here. Vegetables also we get from plant food, animal food, milk and meat. So the major source of food item is plant food and animal food. So both are required to our body. Now if we talk about student, you should open your textbook to understand a chapter quickly and very easily. Now, if we talk about, already discuss about plant food. So every plant is not for eatable or edible. There are different parts. There is different part is used as food items of plant. Every plant is not a food, but we get some plant as a food, and different parts of plant are used as food items, like flower. If we talk about flower, cauliflower. If we talk about leaf, so spinach used as food item. If we talk about stem, potato is available. Potatoes is available. If we talk about root, so radish is available. Stem, root, yes. Flower, cauliflower, leaf, spinach, stem, potatoes, root, radish. So these are the, and if we talk about fruits, so tomato is a fruit. So these are 5 major part of plant, and these parts are used as a food item. So different plant parts are used as food. I already mentioned some parts and their example also. So you should go through your textbook, read the chapter carefully, and in next lecture I will discuss about plant parts by the diagram. Okay, so I think you should understand the chapter. If you have any doubt, you just ask me by the in group, or you can directly ask the question when you taking your class. Okay, thank you.